Today, we're visiting the famous Claudio's in Greenport, Long Island, where Chef Tommy Sao will be creating recipes using our new favorite product, Stiles Honey. Stiles Honey is based in Fords, New Jersey, and has been in operation since 1977. Owner Grant Stiles has been a beekeeper his entire life, a passion that he developed with his father when they captured their first swarm.
Honey's always been viewed as a great, wholesome, pure product. It's good for you. You know, there's more and more information coming out all the time about the benefits of honey.
Hello, my name is Tommy Sao. I'm the chef here at Claudio's, here at the waterfront in Greenport, New York. Today we're making a honey balsamic glazed salmon with aromatic rice and crispy Brussels sprouts, utilizing Stiles honey, making the balsamic glaze with the honey. Today we're using the Stiles honey for our salmon balsamic glaze. And then we also will be using the barrel-aged honey for our honey butter cake with the honey butter syrup.
Let's join Chef Tommy Sao and see what's cooking.
So here is our glaze for our salmon, balsamic honey glaze. Well, when we're grilling our salmon, we're going to brush this over the salmon and create a nice acid for the salmon, and the sweetness from the honey gives it a nice balance of sweet acidity, perfect for the fatty fish of the salmon here in Claudio's. So we're going to start down with a bed of our aromatic rice that we have cooked up, jasmine rice with garlic, shallot, butter, and a little seasoning. For the Brussels sprouts, we're glazing it with the Stiles blazing hot honey. Gives it a nice spiciness and a nice kick, along with the acidity from the balsamic and the nuttiness for the Brussels sprouts. Great compliments to the dish. Then give a quick drizzle. Give this a toss. Dress this on a plate a little bit. We'll finish out with a little bit of herb salad. Give a little bit of oil, some fresh lemon juice. Give that a quick toss. This will act a nice freshness for the balance of the sweet, the fattiness of the salmon, a little crisp from the radish. And last but not least, we're going to go ahead and finish off with a little bit more of that balsamic honey glaze that we made for the salmon. And here we go, our grilled salmon from Claudio's here at Greenport, New York. Next, we're going to make a nice honey butter cake utilizing the barrel-aged honey from Stiles Honey. Create a nice depth in the cake, nice sweetness enhancer for the cake that we will also be adding honey butter glaze over the cake to soak in that honey flavor, and top it off with a vanilla ice cream and drizzle with more of Stiles honey. All right, here we have our honey butter cake where we utilize a classic vanilla cake, incorporating the barrel-aged honey into the batter and baking it. So we're gonna make the cake batter, you're gonna pop it on the sheet pan, you can bake it off, whichever size you like or prefer, and we're gonna go ahead and cut it up. Here we have the barrel-aged honey and butter syrup that we're going to drizzle over our cake and let it kind of soak in, get a nice richness from the butter, a nice sweetness from the barrel-aged honey. We're going to top it off, make it with some vanilla bean ice cream. And finish off with a little bit more of that cake. We're going to drizzle the vanilla ice cream with some fresh barrel-aged honey right out of the bottle. It's a very special small batch product. Drizzle right over the honey.
Whether drizzled over warm toast, swirled into tea, or spooned straight from the jar, Stiles Honey offers a taste that's both luxurious and comforting. It captures the essence of wildflowers in bloom and the richness of sun-drenched summer days. With its silky texture and deep golden hue, Stiles Honey is a feast for the senses. And because it's never heated or overly filtered, Stiles Honey retains its natural antioxidants and trace nutrients, making it not just delicious, but wholesome too. It's honey the way it was meant to be, straight from the hive, with nothing to hide. Stiles Honey is an exceptional local product where they oversee every aspect of production from bee to bottle. Visit them online at stileshoney.com.